Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to make a simple starter house in Minecraft. So let's get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and find a proper location that would suit making your little pretty house. So what we need to do is follow this layout. All right, I'm going to go ahead and show it to you. You need these materials right over here. So oak wood, cobblestone, oak wood planks, furnace, bed, chest, and glass all are pretty standard. So what you want to do is do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can simply go ahead and clear out that space. And now you want to simply go ahead and fill it with your oak wood, just like that, right down here. All right. Now you want to use your oak wood to go 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. And we're going to make the base of cobblestone 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And this is going to just stay like that. Now, the rest of your house is going to be of cobblestone on the top. So what you need to do is simply go ahead and put this here, put this, the back can be completely closed. The sides can be just like that, where you're going to be placing your glass. You can use a glass pane if you want to. Here, what you want to do is dig these two and put your bed down here. Dig this and then put your furnace in here. And then you can simply go ahead and place your chest right over here, just like that. So if you have a what is it called, a crafting table, you can place it right here. I don't currently have one, but that is about it. Now what you want to do with this house is on the front, of course, you want to simply go ahead and put that just like that, so you can actually go ahead and put your doors. So I'm just going to go ahead and get doors here. I'm just doing it on creative to make it very simple, or just easier to show to you guys, but I hope you guys get the point that this is a starter house and you can actually build it very, very simply. So once you've done all of that, you want to get to the top, and this is how we're going to be building the top. Let me just go ahead and show it to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And now all we need to do is same at the back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And then we're going to simply go ahead and fill these in right over here. Right, just like that. And now on the side of the house, we're going to make it a little prettier. You can do it on the back as well if you want to, but I prefer the side. So just like that. That is going to be a little chimney that you can place a little campfire on, by the way. You can also use stairs on the side right over here if you want to, rather than the blocks. So it is fully on you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and use a stair. If you think that is wasting resources, that's totally fine. You can just use your wooden blocks, but I'm just going to go ahead and use this right here. Just like that, and just like that. Just trust the process and it will look really, really pretty, guys. As you can see, it's already getting there. But what we need to do is simply go ahead and place down some torches. All right, and the torches are going to go here. And that is going to look pretty well, guys. Look, it is pretty nice. You can also build a farm around on the left, on the right, wherever you want to, but that is what does the job. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.